Fine feathers make fine birds. Expansion of ideas school and college section. A good personality is the result of good basic values and virtues that are essential to good living. This proverb is very truly applicable to human beings. If we develop our mental faculties on the network of reasoning, logic, comprehension, concentration, discernment, then we can apply our minds to situation and circumstances favorable. Similarly, if our outward personality is marked by grooming, neatness, finesse and hygiene, then it adds value to our persona. A bird that has good and attractive feathers always appeals to bird watchers as well as others also. Likewise, if we groom ourselves outwardly, we cast a good impression on others and perhaps can win their admiration and appreciation.